It is currently 5:24. We're in the Yukon Ford shop.
One rat.
Once the boys are all set up here, we're gonna get some fires going, get some things really, really hot. We're gonna beat on some things until they smush over and over and over and over. We're gonna get them hot again. We're gonna beat them again. We're gonna get them hot again. We're gonna beat them again. Then we're gonna cool them down. Then we're gonna grind them. And stay tuned, because we're gonna have the prettiest looking freaking knives you've ever seen in your life.